me a number, a 2-digit number.
13.
Perfect, 13. Kind of?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, we
Okay,
can.
good. This isn't going to seem like much after the last few, but it's one of my favorites. There's a way to fold up a bill in such a way that it looks like, it feels like, seems like, it disappears. So, there was a dollar that disappeared. Would it be pretty wild if this dollar was inside that box?
Pretty wild indeed.
Undo this ribbon.
Hold on. Wait. Are we ready? Is it time for a drum roll?
Drum roll!
It's a bag. Hold on, it's a bag.
Oh, that was a bit premature. Right, we'll do it again.
Another one. Oh, what's in that?
Oh no, I guess it was too early again.
It wasn't inside the box, but inside the box was the bag, and inside the bag was the line, and then inside the line.
That's impressive. All right.
How do you open that?
Looks like a seed.
Oh yeah, I guess that was too early as well. All right, we're nearly.
It's not too seed. I'm used to.
Do those grow on trees?
Well, yeah, you never know.
What? Here we go.
It's
Here we
the
go.
only reasonable explanation, right?
Surely this time.
It's not amazing though, unless it has the number 13.
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Matthew Teague.
Hey, this is Jeff Savilico. I'm the founder and chairman of Win-Win Charity, a nonprofit that brings smiles to kids in hospitals. I hope you enjoyed that magical moment featuring Matthew Teague. Subscribe to my channel for more of my videos and more Win-Win Charity videos.